Oh boy, it's reading time with a little golden book. Let's see what they have tonight. Looks like it's Big Bird. Can't wait until Christmas. He's even got it circled. It's a little golden book. It's like Sarah wrote her name on it. Sesame Street. This little golden book belongs to you. This book has been well loved. Goodness. Can't wait till Christmas. There they are. It's Big Bird. Someone tore the book. We don't do that. We really don't draw on them either, but oh well. There's Big Bird eating his lunch or dinner. Looks like it might be a turkey dinner. Wait, I imagine Big Bird doesn't eat turkey. He's eating pumpkins and all kinds of good vegetables, it looks like. How long until Christmas, Granny? Big Bird asked. They had just finished a Thanksgiving dinner of corn kernel salad, birdseed roast with sesame seed gravy, and pumpkin seed pie. Only 4 weeks, Granny told him. 4 weeks, Big Bird said. I can't wait. I know how he feels. Christmas will be here before you know it, says Granny. What do you want for Christmas? A new baseball bat? Please, Big Bird said. What do you want? I would like a surprise, she said. I still remember the nicest Christmas surprise I ever had. One Christmas when I was a little chick, my grandpa made me a birdhouse. It had pointed green shingle roof, red sides, little windows, a round doorway, a birdseed box, and a perch in the front where the birds could rest and sing a song. Every time a bird perched on it, I thought of Grandpa. May I see it? Big Bird asked. I'm afraid not, she said sadly. It got broken a long time ago. Now Big Bird knew what to give Granny for Christmas. He's going to make her a new little birdhouse. I bet. We need some help on it. When Big Bird got back to Sesame Street, he asked Maria to help him make his surprise for Granny. It had to look just like this, he told her, showing her a picture he had drawn. Big Bird and Maria cut out pieces of wood and hammered them together. They glued the shingles on the roof and painted the sides and drew little front windows on them. Finally, they attached a big birdseed box and nailed a perch on the front. Yeah, there you go. You did a good job. Do you think Granny will like it? Big Bird asked Maria. It's beautiful, Big Bird told Maria told him, and it's a wonderful present because you made it for her. I send it to her right away, Big Bird said. I can't wait for Granny to see it. You'll ruin the surprise, says Maria. Wrap it up and give it to her for Christmas. Big Bird wrapped the birdhouse in some sparkly Christmas paper. Then he held Granny on the phone. How long until Christmas, Granny? He asked her. 3 whole weeks, said Big Bird. I can't wait. I already have your surprise present, he told Granny. Do you want me to tell you what it is? No, Granny says. I want it to be a surprise. Why don't you make a Christmas card and visit Santa? Then it won't seem so long until Christmas. Why don't you make Christmas cards? She's talking to him on the phone, wrapping up his baseball bat, it looks like. They're really getting into it. Big Bird made cards for everyone on Sesame Street and delivered them to all his friends. Then he and Snuffy went to Nichols' department store and waited in line to see Santa Claus. Snuffy sat on Santa's lap first. "I want a skateboard for me and a basketball bat for my friend Big Bird," he said. Baseball bat for my friend Big Bird, he said. Oh, poor Santa. "Ho, ho, ho," Santa laughed. "That will have to be very big skateboard. It'll have to be a very big skateboard." Then it was Big Bird's turn. "I want a baseball bat and a visit from Granny," he said. "And please remember a skateboard for my friend Snuffy." "Ho, ho, ho," said Santa. There's Big Bird. That must be Snuffy. Looks like he's there. Oh, somebody's got some trees. "How long until Christmas?" Big Bird asked Granny on the phone. 2 whole weeks. I can't wait. I've delivered all my cards. I've seen Santa and I already have your present. Do you want me to tell you what it is?" "No," Granny says. "I want it to be a surprise." "Why don't you get a Christmas tree and decorate it? Then it won't see so long until Christmas." So Big Bird and his friends went and picked out a tree for Big Bird. Bert picked a tall, skinny tree. Ernie liked the short, fat ones. Oscar wanted a scruffy tree with hardly any needles, and the Count spent so much time counting trees he couldn't choose one at all. There's the Count. That is a big, tall, skinny tree. Oh dear. Oscar's tree is scruffy. And Ernie did get a short, fat one. And the Count's just counting trees. Bert did pick a tall, skinny tree. There's Big Bird. They're all there picking out trees. Back at Big Bird's nest, everyone helped him decorate his tree. Oscar tied an old shoe and hubcaps. Bert draped a shiny garland of paper clips. Ernie strung popcorn, and the Count added bat decorations. Oh dear, they are doing a wonderful job, aren't they? Ernie's doing his stringing his popcorn. Bert's draping his shiny garland of paper clips. Count's hanging bats. And Oscar's tying old shoes and hubcaps. There's Big Bird. Big Bird made paper rings and a tinfoil star. Even Oscar agreed it was a wonderful Christmas tree. Especially the part with the trash, he said. "How long until Christmas?" Big Bird asked Granny again. "A whole week. I can't wait. I decorated my Christmas tree, and I already have your surprise present. Do you want me to tell you? You want me to give it to you? Let me give you one teeny tiny hint." "No," Granny says. "I want it to be a surprise." "Why don't you make Christmas cookies? Then a week won't seem so long." Oh dear. Cookie Monster and Big Bird made Christmas cookies. Big Bird saved some cookies to eat with Grandma, but Cookie Monster gobbled his right up. You've eaten all your cookies, Big Bird says. No problem, Cookie Monster patted his tummy and smiled. Me make more cookies every day until Christmas. Goodness. He really did eat them. Finally, on the day before Christmas, Granny arrived. Big Bird ran to greet her. How long until Christmas, Granny? Big Bird asked. 1 more day, she answered. 1 whole day, I can't wait, Big Bird said. Granny gave Big Bird a long, skinny present. Merry Christmas, she said. It's a ski pole, a golf club, an umbrella, Big Bird guessed. You'll just have to wait until tomorrow, Big Bird said Granny. Then Big Bird gave Granny the wrapped birdhouse. Merry Christmas, he said. I wonder what it could be, she said. A pocketbook, a bread box, a new hat? Big Bird laughed. It would make a silly hat. Do you want a hint? No, Granny says. She put her gift under the tree. I want it to be a surprise. There she is. Put it under the tree. She is giving Big Bird his present. Granny and Big Bird hung their stockings. They put out a plate of cookies and a glass of milk for Santa. Big Bird looked at Granny's present under the tree. Are you sure you don't want a teeny tiny itsy bitsy little hint? He asked Granny. You'll never guess what it is. No, Granny told him. I want it to be a surprise. Go to sleep, Big Bird, and Christmas will be here in the morning. I can't wait, Big Bird said and yawned. I'll never be able to sleep. I won't even be able to close my eyes. Well, he is really excited, isn't he? Looks like he's falling asleep. The next thing Big Bird knew, it was morning, Christmas morning at last. The first thing he did was Granny her present. What a wonderful surprise, Granny said happily. It's just like the one Grandpa Bird made me, she hugged Big Bird. And it's special because you made it for me. Every time a bird perches on it and sings me a song, I'll think of you. Big Bird tore the ribbons and wrapping off the gift Granny brought him. A baseball bat is just what I wanted. He said, thank you, Granny. Big Bird took a couple of practice swings with his new bat. And this has been the best Christmas ever. Next year we could do it all over again, said Granny. Next year, a whole year until Christmas, said Big Bird. I can't wait. Well, looks like they all got what they wanted. He's swinging his bat, and he's got his skateboard, and Granny's got her little birdhouse, and they're all really happy. Look at her. She's real happy. Got a little bird already there, wanting to make a home out of it. He did do a good job. And Santa found a skateboard big enough for him. And Big Bird is swinging his bat. They're all having a good time. And look at all these books. Little golden books. Well, that was a good book. Got a lion and Mickey Mouse, a little puppy, Donald Duck, Big Bird, Bambi, a little elephant, Bert and Ernie, Papa Bear, Baby Bear, a little kitten playing with a pink ball, and Bugs Bunny taking a dive, hopefully into a swimming pool. There they are. That was a good little Christmas book. Fun reading that. If I get a close sound like that one. Ho, ho, ho. Golden Santa liked it. Let's see. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. He liked it too.